Morning, this is Carl with Complete Automotive. This is day 6 of our stay-at-home order. Everybody's kind of getting used to the new way of doing business, limited contact, limited touch points, those kinds of things. So our night drop box is getting a lot of use here lately. And I wanted to go over some of the things that's on the envelope that we have here for us to have all the information from you. There's name, address, phone numbers. We need a good email address from you. Here's some quick reference points down here, things like oil change, alignment, tires, just things that you want us to address. Down here we've got this body right here. We need filled out all the details you can, all the strange little things that are going on that you want us to address, any details that we need to know. But most importantly, down here at the bottom, we really need you to sign this. This way we have insurance coverage for your car being here and for us to be able to test drive and go through the inspection process. Speaking of the inspection process, we do have a digital inspection that we're going to go through and we'll put together for your vehicle. And what we're going to do is we're going to email that or text it to you so that way you can make an informed decision about all of the things that we see. So we got a lot of things going on here. We can process credit cards over the phone, and we've got a new process coming on our website to where we can process your credit card payments via our website. So that's going to be coming here in the next couple of weeks. So we're doing everything else like everybody else is. We're sanitizing all the touch points, trying to keep as clean as we can and be as contactless as possible, trying to keep this virus down. So contact us, let us know how we can help, schedule an appointment today. Thanks.